Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make clove conditioner as well as a leave-in conditioner cream for extreme hair growth. This conditioner is super hydrating and very effective for dry, damaged hair. Using this conditioner will give you amazing results and fast. So first things first, you will need a bottle of whole cloves. You can also use ground. I'm starting off with about half a cup, which I will transfer into my blender, following up with some olive oil, making it easy to blend. I don't measure the oil, I just pour enough to cover the clove. You can choose whichever oil you like, but olive oil is great for strengthening the hair by penetrating the hair shaft and preserving moisture. Now I'm just going to mix it and grind it very thoroughly for about 1 to 2 minutes to ensure that the clove is nice and mixed up. After blending for a good minute or two, this is what it looks like. It's very watery in texture, which is what you want. And now what I'm going to do is take a pair of pantyhose, which is going to be used as my strainer. I'm going to squeeze it and leave the rest of the remainder of the clove particles in the pantyhose. Following up with my favorite conditioner of my choice. You can use whatever one you like. I personally just love Aussie 3-Minute Miracle because it has great slip and it's very moisturizing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze enough just to create a creamy texture. You may have to add more, but you want a nice smooth creamy texture by the end of this. So make sure to mix very well. So now I'm going to go in with a few drops of black castor oil. This is one of my favorites. I always add this into my conditioner, whether I use it as a deep treatment or I use it as a leave-in. Jamaican black castor oil has aided in so many different ways for my hair. It aids in promoting hair growth. It stops shedding. It stops breakage. It thickens and regrows the hair. So by adding this, it's going to really make this conditioner very powerful, very potent, and very effective. So once you have blended and mixed everything up to your liking, I'm going to show you the first way to use this clove as a regular deep conditioner. So before applying the conditioner, I always start off by saturating my hair. So water is always going to be my first ingredient to give my hair some hydration, to help soften and loosen up any product that was on my hair. I'm going to start off by using my Aussie shampoo, which I love so much because it's very gentle yet clarifying and moisturizing to my hair. So I'm just going to make sure I start off with a clean scalp because you always want to make sure you're getting rid of any buildup before applying any good treatments on top of your hair. And now that I washed my hair thoroughly, I'm just going to follow up with rinsing it with lukewarm water and begin to separate my hair off into sections, which makes it so much easier for application. So let's talk clove and why it's good to deep condition your hair with it. Clove contains antioxidants that have been shown to be one of the best protectors for hair and also boost hair growth. This is because antioxidants help to boost collagen production, which unfortunately stops or slows down as we age. Collagen is what makes our hair thick and healthy. The best thing about clove is that it's 100% natural and safe enough for daily use. Clove also enhances blood circulation to your scalp and boosts oxygen supply to your roots and follicles, which are the most important things for hair growth. Due to its antioxidants, it prevents free radicals from damaging your cell structure and controls premature graying of your strands. It also improves your scalp health. Antifungal, antimicrobial, and antiseptic properties of clove provide enhanced nourishment and hydration to your scalp, detoxifies your hair follicles, and adds a new life to your dry and damaged tresses by providing them with essential dose of moisture. Antifungal properties of eugenol found in clove work exceptionally well to get rid of dandruff. So not only is clove good just for your hair, but people commonly use clove for toothache, hangover. It helps regulate blood sugar, promotes bone health, and helps improve digestion. So after my hair is nice and coated with the clove conditioner, I'm then going to follow up with a plastic cap and let it sit in my hair for about 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing. I just love the way my hair feels after rinsing. This is definitely satisfaction guaranteed every single time. It leaves my hair feeling fresh and with a soothing sensation on my scalp. After every condition, I can see a difference within my hair. My hair looks shiny, it's stronger, it has gotten thicker, and I've experienced less shedding. This is another method that you can do using the clove oil as a leave-in, and that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm just going to show you how I use the clove. I prefer to use the clove as a leave-in. It lasts longer, and I don't have to keep reapplying it in my hair every single day. I'm just gonna take some and I'm gonna just put it on as if I was applying my regular leave-in. And if you want to, you can add some more oils. I won't be, because I already applied the Jamaican black castor oil. A particular oil that you like to use, that's fine. You can go ahead and mix it in with this as well. Really focus on your ends as well, because our ends are the oldest part of our hair. I give myself a nice massage, because scalp massages really help to stimulate hair growth and get that blood flowing. I'm very basic. I feel like less is best. The most minimalistic styles really aid in hair growth, because it's not a lot of manipulation, it's not a lot of pulling, it's not a lot of tugging. And if your hair is already damaged, you don't want to constantly manipulate your hair. So you want to think of the easiest styles with less manipulation until your hair is in a better state. I'm gonna follow with my gel. My go-to style is always a bun or a ponytail. And I'm feeling like a ponytail for today. It's very simple, it's very easy. Just gonna take a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner and put it on my ends. I can't stress this enough. Being consistent is the only way you're gonna actually see results. I know sometimes we see things, we try things, and then we're not consistent. In order for you to get the results that you're looking for, you have to consistently do this clove treatment. There are many different ways that you can use clove. You do not have to use it as a leave-in. You do not have to do it as a conditioner. You can do it as a hot oil treatment. You can also take a couple of drops of clove and you can put it in your shampoo. Whatever preference you have, it's totally fine, but just make sure that you're continuously using it, because you're gonna reap the benefits. Your hair is gonna thank you. You're gonna be amazed at the results that you get. It's great for thinning, it's great for balding, premature graying, it's good for itchy, irritated scalp. And the best thing about it is that it's all natural, so you don't have to spend $1,000. You probably have it in your kitchen right now. I know in my previous video I've been getting a lot of questions. Where can I get clove? You literally can buy clove at your local grocery store. If you cannot find that there, feel free to check out Amazon. You definitely can get whole cloves, ground cloves, whatever cloves that you have that you can get your hands on. It's gonna get the job done, but just be consistent. Everything takes time, so don't get frustrated if you don't see a change in your hair the first time you try it. Just keep doing it. The reason why my method is the leave-in conditioner is because I don't have to do it every single day, because I have a very hectic schedule, and most times I really don't have time to sit and do my hair. So I find that the leave-in conditioner is easier, because now my head is coated for a good couple of days until I have to reapply it again. If you have extra conditioner left over, you don't have to throw it out. You can store it in a cool climate for up to 2 months, as long as it's sealed with the top on it. And with the clove oil, you can just keep it stored in a mason jar. As long as it's sealed and not exposed, it can last you a while, so you don't have to keep remaking it. If you want to use the oil for like itchy scalp, 2 to 3 times a week is all you need. Hot oil treatment once a week. The conditioner method, you can do that as often as you shampoo your hair. And the leave-in conditioner, you can do it every single day. Keep my hair like this for a couple of days. I'll probably, you know, refresh it, spray water if it gets dry. After using this, my scalp always feels so good. It's a really nice sweet smell. It's not too harsh like the other DIYs, so I wanted to come out with something that was going to be nice and refreshing, and my scalp feels super soothed, and it feels so healthy, shiny. Doing this for a while, and I have slim to none shedding, literally. I will continuously use this. I will update you guys in a couple of weeks to let you know, show you the difference of where my hair was and where my hair ended. If you guys found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Also, if you want to see more hair videos like this, feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know if you've been trying this clove, how it's been going for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.